Every kitchen needs a high-quality saucepan. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a self-proclaimed home chef, you'll likely find yourself reaching for this pan when making pasta, sauce, oatmeal, rice, soup, vegetables, and much more. Saucepans can be made from a variety of materials, though they tend to have a similar shape, circular with taller sides, resembling a small pot with a long handle and lid. Some saucepans are made with a non-stick coating, while others are made of materials like ceramic, cast iron, or stainless steel. Determining which is best for you depends on your preferred cooking methods.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best small saucepans for cooking. So let's get started. Number 5. Anolon Hard Anodized Non-Stick 2-Quart Straining Saucepan. If you're looking for an option with a few more features, this small saucepan by Anolon might have what you need. Its petite size is great for warming up leftover soup or making morning oatmeal thanks to its 2-quart capacity, but it offers much more. The handle is ergonomic to fit comfortably in your palm, and it includes 2 built-in strainers, one with smaller slots and one with larger. Not to mention it's still lightweight despite its heavy-duty construction. While it's a little more expensive compared to some other small saucepans, our product tester insists the features are worth it. Number 4. GreenPan Rio 2-Quart Ceramic Non-Stick Covered Saucepan. Non-stick pans are popular because they're easy to use, easy to clean, and not even your fish, eggs, tofu, and other clingy foods will stick to them. But some people want choices other than traditional non-stick coatings. Enter GreenPan, which uses an alternative non-stick coating called Thermalon made from ceramic and just as slick. The handle stays cool and is comfortable to hold, and foods release easily from its surface. It's oven safe up to 350 degrees, and the clear lid lets you monitor what's happening in there without letting a wisp of steam escape. This saucepan comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Number 3. All-Clad Stainless 1.5 QT Saucepan. This luxury saucepan is for the home cook that wants one to last for life. Indeed, All-Clad offers a limited lifetime warranty. All-Clad is my favorite for a higher-end brand of cookware, says Askew. This made in the USA saucepan boasts 3-ply bonded construction. Stainless steel sandwiches an aluminum core for swift, even heating. There's no Teflon here, but the surface is extra polished for an ultra-smooth interior that provides some stick resistance. The material is so sturdy and warp-resistant, you can take it hot from your stovetop and plunge it into an ice bath without any issues. Number 2. Rachael Ray Hard Enamel Butter Warmer. There are small saucepans, and then there are smaller saucepans. This mini saucepan is the perfect size for warming up a single portion of soup or pasta. And, as its name implies, it's the perfect little pot for melting some butter to drizzle over your freshly made popcorn. It will also come in handy when you want to warm up hot fudge or caramel sauce to pour over a bowl of ice cream. True coffee lovers like to add hot, not refrigerator cold milk to their morning brew, and this is the ideal tool for that job. It's got a non-stick interior that's quick and easy to clean, and an extra comfortable handle too. It probably shouldn't be the only small saucepan in your collection, but once you have it, you'll find yourself reaching for it over and over. Number 1. Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel Saucepan. This saucepan checks all the boxes. I'm a die-hard stainless steel girl for this kind of everyday saucepan, says Askew. The classic material is not too heavy, and the long handle is easy to grip and stays cool while you cook. Plus, the bonded aluminum base heats up quickly and evenly. This saucepan shape narrow with tall sides is great for minimizing evaporation, which is important if you want to keep meats from drying out or sauces from reducing too much. The bottom also features rounded corners so nothing gets missed and scorched when you stir. There's a rolled pouring lip around the edges and a spout for drip-free serving. This pan is oven and broiler safe and can be cleaned by hand or put into the dishwasher. That was our list of the top 5 best small saucepans for cooking just for you.